to make the best sauce in the world. Anyway, it's a staple in my house. I call it the best. I got my pan getting hot. We're going to add olive oil right now. I like to add about a third of a cup, maybe 70 mils. There. So that's going to get warm. This is just regular olive oil. You can use avocado oil if you want. So I have here an onion, 2 carrots, and about 4 cloves of garlic. You can do garlic how you want. If you want to add no garlic, don't add it. If you want to add lots more, you can. And also, a good thing about this recipe is, if you have celery, if you have red or green bell peppers, if you have mushrooms, go ahead and add it in here. I'm making this the most simplest version, just so you have a base to go by. So the reason why I add carrots, other than the nutritional factor, is that the carrots add a bit of sweetness to it, so you never ever have to add sugar to your tomato sauce. And please don't ever buy tomato sauce in the store already made, because this is the simplest thing you can do, and it freezes beautifully. Okay, so we're gonna get that going. I'm adding some pepper here to taste, a couple cracks. And then salt to taste too. If your diet allows you to have salt, add salt. But it's really good without salt too. So I have about 2 pinches salt, maybe about a teaspoon, 5 mils. At this point in the game, I do add my herb blend. So you can find that recipe. I have about 3 tablespoons of herb blend here. I like it herby. You don't have to add that much. Especially if you don't add salt, definitely add a little bit more herb blend for some extra flavor. We're gonna get that rolling. Now I have the garlic. So again, you can just add however many cloves you want. And I'm using this contraption, but you can definitely just chop it in there, because at the very end, we're gonna puree it. So in the meantime, while this is cooking down, we want the carrots to be soft. Okay, so it's gonna take maybe 15 minutes for the carrots to get soft. That's why you kind of wanna have the carrots chopped small for this. You could probably even grate them, but I just chopped them small. So we're gonna let this, all the vegetables get really soft here. Yeah, I kept the lid on so it would cook faster. So let's check it out. Woo-wee! So that's coming real good. The onions and carrots are softened. And now we're gonna add 2 cans of tomatoes. So whatever tomatoes you have available. This sauce ain't picky. And even if you simplify it, it's gonna still be really good and useful. So we're gonna stir this all in. And then we're gonna puree it to your desired consistency. So there we go. So now I'm gonna blend. Having a hand blender is very useful for this type of project. You could use a blender too if you want. Here we go. Anyway, you get the idea. So it's beautiful. And you can use this for so many things. For example, I use it for pizza sauce. I use it in other sauces. I use it as a filler for, say, meatballs or meatloaf. I put it in soup. And I always have some handy, whether it's in the fridge or freezer. So I hope that inspires you. Yes, never buy sauce in the store ever again. Okay? Hope that inspires you. Thanks for watching.